Need a few extra tips to keep your grill cleaned this summer? Stay tuned. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. Well, this is video 2, right, of an outdoor kitchen cleaning video series. If you missed our first video, you can go check it out by hitting that I right up here. So now that we've cleaned the meal prep area, the next thing we have to tackle is our gas grill. He's made it pretty messy.
Yeah, thanks.
So we're gonna share with you a few steps that you can take, but when in doubt, go and follow your manufacturer's instructions. Here's what you'll need to get started. Stainless steel bowl or pot, vinegar, 2 buckets, a wire brush or aluminum foil, dish soap, garden hose, replacement parts if needed, spray cooking oil, steel cleaner, a cloth, and a grill cover. Begin by preheating the grill. While warm, not hot, place a vinegar mixture, 1 part white vinegar, 1 part warm water in a stainless steel bowl or pot inside the barbecue. Close the lid and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This will loosen any leftover food and grease and make it easier to remove. Turn gas off and remove the propane tank and place a bucket under the cook box to catch the dirty water. Then clean the grates using a stiff wire brush or create a makeshift sponge with aluminum foil to scrub the racks. For stubborn stains, you may need to spray on the vinegar mixture or remove interior pieces, washing them in a warm, soapy mixture. Spray down with a hose before repositioning them back on the grill. Next, remove the flavorizers, again washing them with a soapy mixture and wire brush. Once empty, clean the underside of the lid and cook box using a brush in warm soapy water. Then rinse with a garden hose and let dry before assembling the grill. If any of your parts to your Weber grill has seen better days, you can purchase replacement parts. We ordered a new cook box bottom, flavorizers, and grates. Lightly coat the clean grates with a spray cooking oil to reduce the amount of stuck-on food next time. For the grill's exterior, wash with soapy water, rinse down, then use a steel cleaner and cloth. Make sure to follow the grain to refurbish the steel. And obviously between uses, you want to cover your grill to not only keep it clean, but extend its life. Want more cleaning tips? Go check out this video next. Don't forget to subscribe below and visit us at www.toritoth for more home tips. Until next time, happy cleaning.